are on Dad's boat, it floats, but this is how fast it can go. It's like really slow. I mean, he has it maxed up to the front, and this is how fast we're going. And he has it, he did the steering backwards, so when you go left, it goes right, and when you go right, it goes left. We also had a problem when we hit bumps trailering this thing. We lost the ball, and we lost the trailer for about a good 10 minutes. So this is about how fast we're going right now, and this is max 70 horsepower Tomatsu. Yeah, I'll get more videos later. So I'm in the driver's seat now, and as you can tell, like when I turn right, the boat goes left. Look at that. I have no idea how my dad wired up this linkage thing, but it's... What do you think, Dad? Is it backwards? It's backwards, huh? Yeah, because when I turn right, this boat, see, all the way right, goes left. And when I go left, this boat goes right. So, learning curve. We just found out that this boat can't really go that fast. There's no way this thing could make it on in the Delta. I mean, I think max is, you're talking about 20 miles an hour. Look, I'm gonna floor it right now. That's it, floored. That's the RPM, 2,000 RPM. And this is how fast we are going. Blinding fast. All right, till the next one.